Okay everyone, so I'm going to tell you about the straight line depreciation method. So actually the SLD depreciation method is widely used in so many countries and it results even value every year. So basically the formula is very easy because you only subtracting the initial investment with the salvage value and will be divided by the useful life recovery period. So make sure you estimate the useful life first, and after that you can continue directly put the formula. So I'm going to implement with cases, especially for SLD. So in this case, a travel agent has purchased a minibus 150 million rupiah. The useful life of the minibus is 5 years and it can be sold 15 million at the end of its life. So estimate the annual depreciations and calculate the depreciation total in 3 years, and also estimate the book value after 3 years usage using SLD method. So as you know that the SLD result constant number every year and similar value. So it's very easy. So in this case, we know that this is initial investment, and then we got the useful life, recovery period, and also the salvage value. So if an asset has no salvage value, so you can directly multiply the initial investment with the useful life. Okay, the annual depreciation. So this is the basic formula. Okay, just subtract the initial investment by the salvage value 150 minus 50 and then divided by 5, which is recovery period. So every year an asset will decrease by 20 million. Now we are going to put the book value estimations and also the total depreciation. So in this case we are going to start by year 1. The beginning of year 1 is 0. And then we put the book value. The book value in this case in year 1 is the initial investments, and then just put the method, which is we use the SLD method in here and put the formula in here. Okay, now in the first usage there is no depreciation, but after we use it in 1 year, so it means we use it to running a business, an asset may have a decreased value. Okay, so after 1 year's usage, okay, since it has a constant number every year, just subtract the book value in the beginning of time by 20. So just put 20 in the right side and put the subtracting value 130 on the left side. Okay, and continue until the end of the useful life. Okay, 130 minus 20, and then we got 110 minus 20, we got 90, and so on. So the end criteria of depreciations, when the book value, in this case this one, when the book value equals to salvage value, you should know that in this case the salvage value has already estimated by 15 million. Okay, so the depreciation iteration may stop. Okay, just stop in year 5, and then just calculate the total depreciations. In the beginning of time we have a 0 depreciation, but after 1 year usage we get 20, and then just estimate the cumulative number. 20 plus 20, we got 40 plus 20, 60, and so on until the recovery period ends and until the end criteria is met, which is book value equals to the salvage value. So the total depreciation is 100 by using the straight line depreciation. And now we are going to estimate the total of depreciation after 3 years usage. Okay, you can see that in this case there are so complete information. We can skip by using a direct formula. So the sigma depreciation in a certain year in this case we are going to estimate the total depreciation in year 3. Just put the formula is little t and multiply by initial investment, subtract the salvage value and divided by the recovery period. And then we got 3 as a certain. We are going to estimate the 3 years usage. Just put 3 multiplied by 5 and then the subtracting between the initial investment with salvage value. And then we got 60 millions. Okay, now in the year 3 we got 60 million depreciations. Okay, so you can calculate manually or you can jump into a direct formula. Okay, so there are 2 ways to estimating the total depreciations, using a manual one or just put it the formula directly. And then we are going to estimate the book value. The book value itself is like a salvage value. So if you are going to resell your asset again into the market, so how to estimate the price? You can put book value as the price. Okay, the book value at the end of year 5 is just subtracting the initial investment with the sigma depreciation, the total depreciation in a certain years, which is 150 minus 60. Okay, so the book value of year 3 is 90 million. So in this case, if you want to resell your asset, which is your minibus, to the market, so the proper maybe the right price will be 90 millions. Okay, that's the straight line depreciation. Hope you can get new insight about depreciation method, and hopefully my video will help you understand about the depreciation. Thank you.